We did get this wall kind of, well, I guess Blake kind of finished the wall. Guys, I'm doing this in Crocs. That's pretty big, and that will be good enough for one person, obviously. And then we do have plans of taking this out once we finish all of this other stuff. I'm gonna be building a window for this. Alright guys, I almost just like broke my leg, so I was bringing this one in, and then I like tripped, and then I like throw it, and it took out like those back support beams over there. I put them back in. So I'm gonna try to put it right here. Okay. Oh, this one's taller. Shit. This one's taller. Alright, I got it. It's in there. Not perfect. And I'll see if I can get the second one in. Fill that gap up. Oh, hell yeah. Alright, so far we got a bed. We got this whole part filled in. The door, the door's fine. We gotta take that tree, cut it up a little bit, and fill it in. And then I don't know where our measuring stick went. It looks pretty good, kind of. It looks a little funky just because that is there, but it'll be fine. We'll fill that in. Then I need to get another log to fill in right here, and that'll be filled in. Alright guys, I got some pretty poopy pallets, but I'll have to do. And yeah, I gotta take the car, and yeah, let's go build them. And a little bit. Alright guys, got it in. I still gotta fill in a little bit. I had my girlfriend come out and help me because nobody else is available. But I still gotta, I need to get more supports in for this whole log. But pulls out, kind of catches over there, that's fine. And I'll have something that hooks up. And then it just sits back in. And yeah, and the tree's like bowed and yeah. Or I guess I could put one down here.
One right at the bottom.
Right here?
Yeah.
And then
We got look for Alan today or what?
fuck no. That shit ain't gonna go on. Well boys, I got some of the, I don't know, trim done. It looks very poopy, but I'm gonna get a little chunk right there. But yeah. Alright, well, I got some of the sidings done. I'll probably fill those in later. Me and Blake will probably finish this. I took the particle board off and I put it in there. Still a lot more stuff to get done. We got to finish this whole side. Got the bed in here. We still got to take this out, like I said before. I haven't made a latch for that yet, but it's pretty cool. I also filled this in a little bit more. It looks a little bit like garbage, but if it fills it up, it don't matter. So yeah, it's starting to look a lot better, and we'll get this filled in, and this side will finally be done. Also, I got a temporary kind of crappy bridge going on, but we got a lot of progress done, so yeah.